Good morning students, I am your English teacher from Little Flowers Academy and today I will teach you lesson in English students of class 8th. This chapter is from your Honeydew book. The name of the chapter is The Best Christmas Present in the World. The best Christmas present in the world. Please pay attention in your book. I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridgeport. A roll-top desk. It means the author saw a roll-top desk in a junk shop in Bridgeport. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. द मैन सेड इट वाज अर्ली 19th century and oak. It means the man told that it was early 19th century. The man told that it was early 19th century and it was made of oak. Oak means a wild wood, एक प्रकार की जंगली, ए वाइल्ड ट्री, एक प्रकार का जंगली वृक्ष. I had wanted one but they were far too expensive. It means he had wanted one but they were more expensive. This one was in a bad condition, the roll top in several pieces. It means the condition of the roll top disc was not good. The condition of the roll top disc was not good in several pieces. One leg clumsily mended, scorch mark all down one side. It means one leg clumsily mended, burn marks all down one side. It was going for very little money. It means but it was cheap. अगेन देखते हैं इसको. It was going for very little money, but it means but it was cheap. I thought I could restore it. Here the author said that he thought that could restore it. He thought that he could restore it. It would be a risk, a challenge. It means it may be risk and a challenge for the author. But I had to have it. It means he had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. It means he paid the man and brought it back to his workroom at the back of the garage. I began work on it on Christmas Eve. It means he began work on it on Christmas Eve. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. It means he removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. It means he removed the roll top desk completely and pulled out the drawers. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. It looked like water damage to me. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. It means the veneer had lifted almost everywhere. It looked like water damage to him. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. The last drawer was stuck fast. It means the last drawer had stuck fast. I tried all I could to ease it out gently. It means he tried all he could to ease it out gently. In the end, I used brute force. It means in the end he had to used much force. I struck it sharply with the side of my fist and the drawers flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath a secret drawers. It means he struck it sharply with the side of his fist and the drawer flew open to reveal a less and secret space underneath drawer. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box. It means he reached in and took out a small black tin box. Cello taped to the top of it was a piece of lined note paper, and written on it in Psyche handwriting. It means written on it in playful handwriting. Jim's last letter received January 25, 1950, to be buried with me when the time comes. It means Jim's last letter received January 25, 1950, to be buried with him when the time comes. I knew as I did it that it was wrong of me to open the box. It means he knew as he did it that it was wrong of him to open the box, but curiosity got the better of my scruples. It means but pride got the better of his suspicion. It usually does. Inside the box there was an envelope. The author found inside the box the author found an envelope. The address he read the address. Mr. Jim McPherson, 12 copper, which is Bridport, Dorset. I took out the letter and unfolded it. It means he took out the letter and unfolded it. It was written in pencil and date at the top. It means it was written in pencil and date at the top. December 26, 1914. Thanks for watching video.